I'd be such a good frat bro, dude. I could cosplay that shit for.
Yeah, the hand hook.
Nothing.
Oh yeah, look at that fight.
Then the destination is on your right.
Where are we?
We're at the beach. Redondo. That was right on the camera too.
Yo, that's crazy. Filming this guy.
Oh yeah, right next to our mental. Yeah.
2 words that are like,
We got a personal cars like white. Oh, it looks so good. Damn.
and what? And your basket?
Oh, I just like the South Castle. Ooh, mortadella.
Gourmet deli selection. Could do that. How much is that?
This ham though.
$6. $6.
Me and Greg. Greg, you want to share ham? What do you want? Let's get some mortadella and switch to charcuterie selection.
Yeah, that's what
Let's start that in the mortadella. Well, Italian. And for cheese, let's go with $8.
I mean, Mutz is cheaper though.
Mutz.
Mutz is cheaper.
How much is that? Like wet?
$2.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna need you fold it in half. We might need to get multiple for me. I'm looking hungry.
You can eat a quarter of
One, two, yeah.
for yourself.
You know we have enough meat though?
Some White Claws or a couple chips? A bag of chips?
I don't know if that's enough meat.
Bro, it's fine, dude.
It's not fine, but it's fine.
Can we get a sweet treat?
That was a nice.
Alright, sandwich materials acquired. Now we're heading back to the beach.
kick it? Can I 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 kick it? I'm gone.
Oh, we're rolling. Left. Whoa, a little wide. This coming out quick. Yeah, I was whipping it.
Alright.
I drink chocolate.
Made it to Pavilions.
I want to do
About to whip up
right?
some milkshakes.
I'm down to chocolate. Okay, good.
Do you have chocolate?
You just say
sauce?
vanilla.
Yeah,
right?
Vanilla,
It's like the shareables. Or at least injury, whatever.
That's fine.
Fine. I was gonna say something. This morning I was making pancakes. I was listening to like the millennial music. And I was listening, what else was I listening to? Oh, I listened to Home, that song. Me, oh my. And then I was about to listen to Nice Pancakes. And I was like, nah, that's going too far. Isn't that funny? Oh, I thought that high school you were watching the game and he's just like walking right in front of them. He just parked it right there. Cut that part out.
Chocolate malt crunch milkshake.
This is triple threat. Bro, I can feel that burrito. Holy. And now? Well, it's so okay, I can't go in this crowded aisle.
Why?
Burritos down here.
Bro.
I gotta take these out. His little sweet treat break. Sorry, you said little could be there.
Yeah, I got a big brain. Thank you.
Oh yeah, see? I wish I could just get. You think I could hit that truck hard enough so I could explode?
Alright, we're headed back to Sebi's house. We're about to make milkshakes, play some guitar.
Big 40 and a big ass. Can you imagine that? It's just because we left it overnight by accident. Here? On the street? Yeah.
Is that short?
No, it's not. Hey, you guys want a shareable? I'll give you an aluminum plate, $30 burger. It's great. All me?
That might melted.
Let's put it in the freezer just for now.
You can get all icy though.
No, but we're gonna like run there. I got water in here, come on. Yeah, see? You got a little. Like one drop. We'll start to pour mallow and that's when you know it's good.
Alright, what do y'all rate the shakes?
Really good.
7, 8? It's respectable. What do y'all think?
I'll give it like an 8-4.
You will remember. Yeah.
Wait, it feels weird. Just this like big one.
Bro, one of my friends translated this in GPT one time. I was like, this is the most beautiful thing ever.
Really?
They couldn't even explain it to me in English because they speak Chinese. They're like, it's too beautiful.
Are you just filming?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Glebby? Bass solo. The GOAT. Yo.
Dude, what's his name?
Ron Carter.
We recording?
Roll.
Alright, what happened?
No, you
So
got-
basically, that was probably the single worst game of Catan we've ever played.
We're all depressed.
We're all depressed. The board was terrible.
I was depressed. I made strategic placements. Hinga started feeding at the end.
I didn't feed at the end. I fed at the like 3/4 mark, I'd say.
Even worse.
All around, it was terrible.
But to be honest, like I'm glad I fed because he already signed the board a bunch of times. And
Exactly. Oh yeah, speaking of
Boss
that.
is pretty bad at the game, and he deserves
Yeah,
it.
I mean, even though but do I have 3? Am I tied?
You're tied for
most?
second with Hing.
Yeah, so
What's it
I'm
called?
too bad.
TTUE
We
boom.
kind of know who's the worst.
We game at the